Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into it. So here I'm going to mark 3 points of my start to finish and where I'm going to be sewing and cutting off the excess fabric. I find this method to be quick and easy compared to what I was thinking of doing the first time. I was going to take off the waistband of the pants and shorten that, but then I would have had to get rid of the pockets, and I did not want to do that. So this way we can keep the pockets without having to remove the waistband and put it back on there. After sewing it down, I just cut off the remaining fabric that I no longer needed, and this is how the pants look from the outside, and this is what it looks like on. And that ends this video. Subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.